Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to turn on Do Not Disturb on iPhone. Just scroll down from the right top side and just press this option. You will get three more options from Do Not Disturb. First one is for 1 hour, and then second one is until this evening, and the third one is until I leave this location. If you select the fourth option, that is schedule, just turn on this Do Not Disturb. And if you want to schedule, so turn on this. Schedule turns on Do Not Disturb for the time period you select, and dim lock screen darkens the lock screen and sends notifications to notification center during that time. Now just go down and you have to select always from the silence, then go to phone and tap on this and choose no one option. Again go back, then you have to turn off the repeated calls, and then go to Do Not Disturb while driving option. Select this and tap on manually option, then go back. Now tap on this and just select no one option from auto reply to. Again go back. That's it guys, your problem will be solved and you're good to go.